Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Focus in a titanium trim and powered by a 2-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So this being the hatchback version, you do get a nice easy access to your cargo area, which is pretty spacious for the size of the vehicle and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And then you have primary component of your Sony sound system in this vehicle, so your music is going to sound pretty decent. And underneath you have your spare tire with your amp and some extra storage there for your tools or whatever. And then looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders. And this car does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 74,828 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here. We can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with all your stats together: digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy, distance to empty, trip timer. You have that for your trip 1 and 2. And then you have information such as my key status and your system checks, so any warnings that may have popped up, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Then moving on from that, you have your hazards here, and then you have all of your media controls, again, Sony sound system. And then you have your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. Also have heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then down below that, you have a USB and a 12 volt here, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. And you do have a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm in the cold months. And then moving on from that, you have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which has another USB and 12 volt inside, so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top, so you can lie in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.